Hello, 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 traders. Good Friday. Welcome. Looking at research in motion. What a choppy stock this has been. We dropped below the 20 and the 50-day moving average. This is a daily, by the way, that we're looking at, going back about 3 months or so. Daily 3-month chart, 3-month daily. Double bottom, we run up above the moving averages, we crash below the moving averages, and then we start chopping, just chopping around. Look at this, big up day, big down, big gap down, another big gap up, a big day up, a big day down, another big day up. Look at this 20-day moving average, just splitting the difference. It's anybody's guess what this thing's going to do. But nonetheless, on Thursday, which was yesterday, I had a student here, and he was playing this long. I just want to show you the trade that he was doing. I'm going to go to a 5-minute chart. This was a play that he made. Going back, draw a couple trend lines here. See our triangle? Symmetrical triangle. These can go up or down. You don't know until they make their pop. This one pops to the upside. The entry was made on expanded range candles. I go about halfway and down just a smidgen, and it marched up. You just keep moving your stop loss up. I'm about 1/4 of whatever the trading range is for that candlestick. I go under about 1/4. And we just keep moving it up, moving it up. Let's move my cursor. We're still in this trade. Do you see this? Now we're developing a high base. You have the right to add yet another position over the top here, if and only if it makes a pop on big volume. This one pops. We had a little pop in volume. It looks small, but that's in relationship because of this big volume here. If I were to stretch this out, hide that volume, the volume picked back up. You can see how it popped. So here we're running up, I think we're about 1/4 under. Go up again, go up again. Nice run, making some great profits, great profits. This one we're still in this trade. Now we're out of the trade, but you do have a little pullback here. But we do not have a 2-to-1 reward risk ratio. Now we start to with that one, but not really. It does pop up. We're not in this trade anymore, and we wish we were, because right there's the pop. What triangle do we have here? And we were looking at this. We drew these lines in, and we were busy talking at the time. And I said one of two things. What I told him was this could become a double top. Let me go back here. This could be a double top. It's only confirmed a double top when you drop below that swing low. So if this thing broke below this support line, that was the kiss of death. Bad things are going to happen. Then the next step was to go below this 20 intraday moving average. Then after that, piercing this low. But if it doesn't do this, it could go the other direction. We have an ascending triangle, which are very bullish. We get talking, we miss that pop, and then it ran up and then came right back down. And that was the latter part of the day, the last hour of trading. So we missed that run. We would have pulled a little bit of money off the table, not much, because it did an about phase, shot up, came back down. A telltale sign that you might get a false breakout is when you don't have double the volume. I like double the volume from the last 2 to 3 bars. And this one was just a little more volume, but not much. So high probability. We had a little more volume on this one, but look at the big upper shadow showing that the bears were yanking it right back down. Now you have a bullish or a bearish engulfing pattern, and then it comes to fruition and dropping below the 20 intraday moving average, and it gets hurt. So anyway, there's research in motion. You know, while we're out here, let's take a look at the SPX. I wanted to share something on the SPX. Here's the daily. I have a green line right here. It happens to be at 1356. 1356. 1356. I'm going to say it again. 1356. And let me tell you why I keep saying that number. 1356. Okay. And there we have it. Now, let's talk about why. It has little to do with the daily. This line, we're on the daily right now, going back about 3 months. But it has more to do with this weekly. Check out the weekly. See this little swing high we have? If we get up over that area, we could go bullish. And if I were to even more, this is even more important, is the monthly. Here's the monthly. Look at this. If we do that, we'd be making a higher high. So in April, this is what's key. April, we're in March right now. If we go into April, we make a higher high, and we get the 1356 or higher. We close the 1356 or higher. I'm projecting that we'll have 1 to 2, maybe 3 months going up, at least 1, and probably if we're stretching it 3. 1 month, maybe 2, perhaps even 3 of up months before the major leg down, before the bloodbath should occur. So anyway, there you have it. Have a great weekend. Take care. Until next time, always trade with stocks. See you in the forums. The best place going on is freetradingvideos.com. We love it. We love it. We love it. Catch you later.